15 desert-themed tabletop miniature indoor garden ideas. Welcome to our video showcasing 15 captivating desert-themed tabletop miniature gardens, each beautifully presented on a tray. These unique concepts are inspired by the vast and serene beauty of desert landscapes, blending nature's resilience with artistic design. From expansive sand dunes and rugged cacti to tranquil desert oases and blooming wildflowers, each garden tells a story of life thriving in the harshest environments. Whether you're looking to add a peaceful touch to your home or seeking inspiration for your own desert garden project, these miniature creations offer a perfect blend of elegance and simplicity. Join us as we explore these miniature desert worlds and discover how they bring the timeless beauty of the desert into your living space. Idea number 1. Saharan Sands Oasis. The Saharan Sands Oasis transports you to a peaceful desert retreat, where golden sand dunes gently curve around a serene oasis. The soft, fine sand sparkles in the sunlight, while several tall palm trees stand proudly beside the water. Cacti, with their spiny arms reaching towards the sky, dot the landscape, adding a rugged charm. The centerpiece is a tranquil pool of water, reflecting the vivid blue sky above. Displayed on a wooden tray, this miniature garden captures the beauty and stillness of a desert oasis, inviting you to unwind and embrace the calm of the desert's vastness. Idea number 2. Desert Rock Garden. The Desert Rock Garden presents a striking landscape where smooth, sun-bleached boulders create a strong, grounded foundation for the desert flora. Small, hardy succulents thrive in the dry soil, their fleshy leaves adding bursts of green to the otherwise muted palette. Desert flowers in hues of yellow and purple bloom sparingly between patches of dry grasses. The composition of textures, rocky surfaces, soft foliage, and vibrant flowers captures the resilience of life in the harsh desert environment. Displayed on a wooden tray, this miniature garden brings the beauty of the desert's stark contrasts into your space, evoking a sense of quiet solitude and natural strength. Idea number 3. Cactus Garden Retreat. The Cactus Garden Retreat showcases the variety and beauty of the desert's unique flora. Several species of cacti, with spiny arms and tall, robust forms, stand proudly in this miniature garden. The desert plants surrounding them offer a patchwork of shapes and textures, some with fleshy, rounded leaves, others with long, spindly branches. Small, smooth stones are scattered across the base, adding to the desert's natural, raw aesthetic. A dry riverbed meanders through the scene, adding a sense of movement to the otherwise still environment. Displayed on a wooden tray, this miniature garden is a peaceful, desert-inspired oasis where the harsh beauty of the arid landscape is softened into a serene, meditative retreat. Idea number 4. Desert Bloom Garden. The Desert Bloom Garden is a celebration of color and life in an otherwise harsh environment. Vibrant desert flowers, in shades of orange, pink, and purple, bloom sporadically amidst the dry soil. Their delicate petals create a stunning contrast against the sandy backdrop. Small cacti, with their spiny green bodies, stand guard around the flowers, adding texture and height to the scene. A stone pathway winds its way through the garden, inviting you to explore further into this miniature desert landscape. Displayed on a wooden tray, this miniature garden captures the resilience and beauty of the desert's flowers, offering a refreshing burst of life amidst the arid surroundings. Idea number 5. Sand Dune Mirage. The Sand Dune Mirage is a captivating miniature desert garden where the sweeping curves of rolling sand dunes seem to stretch on forever. The fine, golden sand creates a soft, undulating landscape, broken only by a few sparse desert plants that add subtle pops of green. The horizon appears to shimmer with a mirage effect, where the heat seems to distort the air above the dunes, creating an almost surreal sense of distance. Displayed on a wooden tray, this miniature garden offers a moment of reflection, evoking the vast, infinite nature of the desert and the mysterious beauty of its elusive mirages. Idea number 6. Desert Sunset Garden. The desert sunset garden is bathed in warm, golden hues that evoke the peaceful stillness of a desert at dusk. The sand has taken on a rich, amber tone as the sun begins to set, casting long shadows over the landscape. A solitary cactus stands tall in the center, its silhouette sharp against the soft lighting. Surrounding it are smaller desert plants, their textures amplified by the low, golden light. The scene is tranquil, with a quiet sense of closure that the desert sunset brings. Displayed on a wooden tray, this miniature garden offers a calming escape, reflecting the beauty of the desert as it transitions from day to night. Idea number 7. Oasis in the desert. The oasis in the desert brings a refreshing touch to the arid landscape. A crystal-clear pool of water reflects the sky above, surrounded by clusters of palm trees with their fronds gently swaying. The surrounding desert plants are hardy yet beautiful, with their muted greens and silvery hues standing in stark contrast to the vibrant oasis. The fine sand around the pool has been smoothed into gentle curves, adding a sense of tranquility. Displayed on a wooden tray, this miniature garden captures the serene beauty of a desert oasis, offering a peaceful retreat from the harshness of the surrounding desert. Idea number 8. Cactus Rock Garden. The Cactus Rock Garden is a minimalist, yet striking desert landscape, where large, jagged stones and varied cacti create an arresting visual contrast. The gravel pathways weave between the cacti, inviting exploration of the different shapes and sizes of these hardy desert plants. Some cacti stand tall with spiny arms, while others are more compact, with rounded forms. The overall effect is one of rugged beauty, where each stone and plant adds its own unique texture to the scene. Displayed on a wooden tray, this miniature garden embodies the quiet strength and striking simplicity of the desert landscape. Idea number 9. Desert Wildflower Garden. The Desert Wildflower Garden is a colorful and lively escape into the desert's surprising bursts of life. The dry earth is scattered with wildflowers in vibrant shades of yellow, orange, and purple, their petals a stark contrast to the muted tones of the surrounding landscape. Small cacti and desert plants add structure to the scene, standing tall or low, depending on the variety. Scattered stones form natural paths through the garden, guiding your gaze from one blooming flower to the next. Displayed on a wooden tray, this miniature garden celebrates the fleeting beauty of the desert's wildflowers, reminding us of the resilience and vibrancy that thrive in harsh environments. Idea number 10. Desert Valley Garden. The desert valley garden mirrors the deep serenity found in a quiet desert valley. The winding canyon walls rise on either side, their rocky surfaces weathered by centuries of wind and time. Between the canyon walls, rolling sand dunes stretch out, their smooth curves forming natural patterns that invite contemplation. Sparse desert plants, including hardy succulents and cacti, dot the landscape, adding life and texture to the otherwise barren scene. Scattered rocks form natural clusters, bringing balance to the vast openness. Displayed on a wooden tray, this miniature garden captures the profound stillness of a desert valley, where the beauty lies in its solitude and simplicity. Idea number 11. Sunbaked Desert. The Sunbaked Desert is a striking representation of the harsh beauty of a desert under the blazing sun. The earth is cracked and dry, its brown tones offering a sharp contrast to the few scattered cacti and dry shrubs that manage to thrive in this arid environment. The rugged landscape is dotted with small pebbles and rocks, giving it a raw, untamed feel. Displayed on a wooden tray, this miniature garden captures the intensity and resilience of life in the sunbaked desert, offering a quiet reminder of the beauty that exists even in the harshest of conditions. Idea number 12. Desert Wind Garden. The desert wind garden evokes the feeling of being in a vast, open desert where the wind shapes the landscape. Soft ripples form in the fine sand, as if the wind has recently passed through, creating intricate patterns across the dunes. A few resilient cacti stand against the breeze, their sharp, spiny forms contrasting against the smooth, flowing sand. Small desert plants are scattered throughout, their roots deep in the earth, making their homes in this constantly shifting environment. Displayed on a wooden tray, this miniature garden captures the fleeting yet powerful nature of the desert winds, a testament to the desert's ever-changing beauty. Idea number 13. Cactus Flower Garden. The cactus flower garden showcases the incredible resilience and beauty of cacti as they bloom in the desert. These prickly plants, with their varied shapes and sizes, display vibrant flowers in hues of pink, yellow, and orange. The dry earth around them is sparse, yet the color from the flowers adds life to the otherwise muted landscape. Small stones and pebbles form natural pathways, guiding you through this miniature desert oasis. Displayed on a wooden tray, this garden emphasizes the rarity and beauty of desert blooms, capturing the fleeting moment of bloom in the desert's tough environment. Idea number 14. Desert Star Garden. The Desert Star Garden transports you to a peaceful, moonlit desert under a blanket of stars. Cacti cast long, dramatic shadows on the sand, their silhouettes stark against the glowing moonlight. The sand dunes shimmer under the night sky, with a soft, silver glow that illuminates the surroundings. Desert flowers glow faintly, their petals catching the moonlight, adding a mystical touch to the scene. Displayed on a wooden tray, this miniature garden evokes the beauty of the desert at night, where the stars shine brightly and the landscape is transformed into a tranquil, dreamlike world. Idea number 15. Desert Solitude Garden. The desert solitude garden captures the quiet, reflective nature of the desert. A single, solitary cactus stands at the center, its tall form reaching toward the sky, surrounded by a circle of dried earth and small rocks. The atmosphere is peaceful, almost meditative, as the simplicity of the landscape invites contemplation. The surrounding sparse vegetation hints at life, but it is the solitude that defines the garden. Displayed on a wooden tray, this miniature garden evokes a sense of inner peace, mirroring the desert's vast emptiness and profound stillness. That's all the 15 desert-themed tabletop miniature indoor garden ideas. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more ideas like this.